Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform to create custom forms for your business or personal projects. Jotform is a powerful form builder that makes it incredibly easy to collect information, whether you're gathering customer feedback, processing orders, or conducting surveys. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free right there on the same page. After logging in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard. Look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to starting any new form or project within Jotform, so it's an important first step whenever you want to build something new. Once you click Plus Create, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Form. This tells Jotform that you want to create a new form rather than a table or app. Next, you'll see different ways to begin your form. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch, which gives you complete control over every element you add. Then choose Card Form. The card format presents your form questions one at a time, making it more engaging and less overwhelming for users filling it out. Now you're in the Form Builder interface. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with various tools and options. Click on Add Element. This opens up a library of form fields and elements you can drag and drop into your form. It's where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize exactly what information you want to collect. From the element library, locate an element like full name and drag it into your form canvas. This field will allow respondents to enter their first and last names. You can repeat this process with any other elements you need, such as email, phone number, multiple choice questions, or file uploads. Once you've added an element, click on the gear icon next to it. This is the Properties panel where you can fine-tune every detail of that specific field. In the Properties panel, you can customize the field label, which is the title or question that appears above the input box. Under the General tab, you can also add a description to provide extra context or instructions for the person filling out the form. Additionally, you can adjust the label alignment by choosing whether you want it positioned on the left, center, or right. This small customization can make a big difference in how professional and polished your form looks, especially if you're matching it to your brand's style. After you've finished building and customizing your form, it's time to share it with the world. Click the Publish button at the top of the page. This will generate a shareable link and an embed code. You can copy the link to send via email or social media, or use the embed code to place the form directly on your website. And just like that, your Jotform is live and ready to collect responses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.